I'm really blown away by that. Monopoly Live, everybody. Hey Internet, your old friend Dominic here with AmericanCasinoGuide.com. All right, so before jumping into this video though, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And while you're at it, give that notification bell a little ring-a-ding-ding. So you guessed it, this game is a unique live online version of the widely known and most loved board game Monopoly. So this game was created by Evolution, and Monopoly Live combines live game action and augmented reality. And it's this combination that has changed live casino entertainment forever. I remember him with a monocle, but everyone tells me that's just some crazy Mandela effect.
Hello? Any Mandela effects in here?
So let me give you a quick rundown of how the game actually works. It's a standard money wheel game where you're given a chance to land on one of the following numbers. So 1, 2, 5, and 10. And this acts as a multiplier to your initial bet. There's also 3 bonus rounds. So there's chance, 2 rolls, and 4 rolls. And this is where things get really interesting. So let's start off with chance. Just like in the board game Monopoly, when you land on the chance space, you get a special card. But instead of keeping you out of jail,
you're free.
Oh,
you're free.
I'm going.
This could earn you a random multiplier bonus or even a grand cash prize. Are you liking what you're hearing so far and want to play Monopoly without fighting with your family? Check out our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com, where we recommend the best casinos to play Monopoly Live. The other bonus option is split into 2. There's the 2 rolls and the 4 rolls. Landing on either of these takes you to the most fun part of this game, at least in my opinion, the 3D bonus round. Here you're gonna join Mr. Monopoly. Just like in the original game Monopoly, if you roll doubles, you get an extra roll. And the game board has everything that you expect and love from the original game. The houses, the hotels, the train stations, the city streets.
Potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram.
And if you manage to lap all the way around, the multipliers increase. So far, the biggest multiplier has reached as high as 9,600x.
No way.
So guys, that was Monopoly Live. Clickety-clack that like button, slam that big red subscribe button, ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell, because my name's Dominic, and I'm wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.